A unique blend of spices makes this special Baharat blend. Baharat is made by blending special ingredients together. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Baharat spice. Now this spice blend is similar to an allspice blend that most cultures use. This is used a lot in Arabic, Middle Eastern cooking. I'm going to show you how to simply put these ingredients together and then you can have this on hand to make anything. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. To make this Baharat spice mix, I'm going to start with 6 tablespoons of paprika. Add 4 tablespoons of cumin powder, 4 tablespoons of crushed black pepper, 3 tablespoons of allspice powder, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds, and 1 teaspoon of clove powder. Just mix this all well and you can store it in a spice jar for use in many other recipes. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this simple spice mix that you can have on hand to use with chicken or fish or beef, whatever you like. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and do leave me a comment. I really love hearing from you. Also follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.